One day, I was getting ready to drive my truck like usual when I noticed something strange near the corner of the engine area. There were tiny sticks, soft feathers, and pieces of grass hidden inside. When I looked carefully, I was shocked. A small bird had built a nest inside my truck. At first, I didn't know what to do. I was afraid the nest could fall or the bird could get hurt if I started driving. But when I saw the little bird sitting quietly inside the nest, I decided to protect it instead of removing it. From that day on, I treated the nest like part of my family. Before starting the truck every morning, I carefully checked the nest to make sure the bird was safe. I drove slowly and avoided rough roads so nothing would happen to the tiny home. A few days later, I discovered small eggs inside the nest. The mother bird trusted my truck enough to keep her babies there, and that made me feel responsible for them. I kept watch every day and made sure no one disturbed the nest. Then one morning, the eggs finally hatched. Tiny baby birds appeared, opening their little mouths and waiting for food from their mother. They were so small and fragile, and seeing them made me even more careful with my